Today, I'm showing you a setup I'm seriously obsessed with. An automated reoccurring task engine that generates tasks on a daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis, all with the mapped fields like assignee, due date, and task name. We use 3 boards to make the magic happen: a reoccurring task board, a cycle board, and a workflow board. The cycle board is your control center. It holds the task name, how often it repeats, and the next date it should be created. The workflow board is where we automate the logic. When the date arrives, create the task and push the next date forward. And the reoccurring task board is where your team works from. It shows everything from active, assigned, and ready to go. Here's the cool part. The cycle is continuous. You only set it up once. The system creates a task, sets the due date, then resets itself for the next time. Whether you need daily stand-ups, monthly invoices, or quarterly reviews, this setup scales with you. Want to implement this for your team? Book a free discovery call below using the link, and we'll help you build it the right way. And if you're into building smarter systems like this, hit the subscribe button. We got more magic coming your way. Thanks for watching.